Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will talk about deception capability in Microsoft Defender XDR. So, deception is a built-in capability which delivers high confidence detections of human operated lateral movement, preventing attacks from reaching an organization's critical assets. So there are attacks like business email compromise, ransomware, some breaches, and some nation state attacks which often use lateral movement and can be hard to detect with high confidence in the early stages. So what deception capability does, it automatically generates authentic looking decoy accounts, host and lures. The fake assets generated are then automatically deployed to specific clients. When an attacker interacts with the decoys or lures, the deception capability raises high confidence alerts, helping in security teams' investigation and allowing them to observe an attacker's method and strategies. So I will log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to security.microsoft.com. This is my tenant, and for deception technology to work, you should at least have one of these subscriptions: Microsoft 365 E5, Microsoft Security E5, or Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Plan 2. So if I show you my test account, if I go to admin portal, admin.microsoft.com, and if I show you my billing and under products, for what I've applied as a trial, I have Microsoft Defender for Endpoint P2 trial. It's for 3 months. You have to enter your card details and you can make the usage of it. And you can anytime cancel the subscription if you want to continue. Keep on doing the laps. Okay. Now it says that it should have Defender for Endpoint has the primary EDR solution. Automated and investigation response capabilities in Defender is configured. And devices are joined or hybrid joined. So if you have not configured automated investigation and remediation capabilities in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, first configure that. Right. Once you have configured it, I'll show you. So if you will go to settings, Defender portal, if you will click on permissions and you come under device groups, add a device group, you specify a name, TG1, select the remediation level, full remediate threats automatically. So this is the automation level which determines whether remediation actions are taken automatically or only upon approval. So I can keep the description as same. Name starts with A, or any use one or more conditions to identify and include devices. (22, 10, 19, 16). Okay, this one. Show preview. It shows up to 10 devices. So this is the device. That's why I added starts with A. Next. Submit. I'm not defining that group. Okay. Done. Okay. TG1, I created it. After that, now if you want to set up that deception, right? So we have Defender for Endpoint Plan 2. I have Defender for Endpoint, the only EDR solution. I have we have a device as well which I onboarded. There it is. All right. So we know that what a deception technology is a security measure that provides immediate alerts of a potential attack to a security system, allowing us to respond in real time. It creates fake assets like devices, users, and hosts that appear to belong to your network. Okay. Now, if you want to configure this capability, deception capability, we'll go to, so deception capability is turned off by default. So you go to settings, endpoints, under general select advanced features, enable EDR in block mode, automatically resolve, allow or block file, hide potential duplicate device records, custom network indicators, tamper protection, show user details, Skype for business integration, Microsoft Defender for cloud apps, web content filtering, unfettered audit log, device discovery, download quarantine files, live response, server, script execution, share, Intune connection, authenticated telemetry, preview features. I don't know. See, they say that a deception capability is available under these settings with the name of deception, but I don't see it. Let me refresh it. I don't see it here, and I have met all the prereqs here as well. I have a trial of endpoint P2 as well. Let me look for one more time. Block file, potential indicators, Skype. Deception. Now it shows up. Earlier it was not. It says manage and deploy lures and decoys to catch attackers in your environment. After you turn this on, go to rules, deception rules to run deception campaigns. So I turn this on. Apply. Save preferences. It will apply in few minutes. Now I will go to rules. Okay, I will go to settings, endpoints, rules. Under rules, I see deception rules. I should see deception rules. I will wait for few minutes. Right, so after some time, you will see settings, endpoints, and then under rules, you will see deception rules. If you will click on it, one is default rule, and you will click on add a deception rule. Enter a rule name here. You can mention deception test rule. Description, deception test devices. Leo types, basic, advanced. Plant documents, link files, and other files containing decoy information that attackers might utilize. Plant cached user credentials and inject responses to Active Directory queries with the decoy information that attackers might utilize. Next, all Windows client devices or devices with specific tags. You can do no tags found. So if you have a tag on your devices, you can specify the tags on which you want to deploy this deception rule. I have a lab tenant, so I will deploy this on all Windows devices, though I have only one as of now. It is generating the decoys. So the deception capability will then take a few minutes to automatically generate decoy accounts and host. Now please note that the deception capability generates decoy accounts that mimic the UPN in Active Directory. We can review, edit or delete automatically generated decoys. We can also add our own decoy accounts and hosts in this section. To prevent false positive detections, ensure that added host IP addresses are not used by the organization. These are the host which will be the decoy accounts. Samba, file, etc. Right? Next. These are the lures. And you can edit a decoy account name as well. It can be an host name, it can be an IP address where the lures are planted in the decoy section. Now when adding the IP addresses, it is recommended using a sandbox IP if it exists in your organization. Avoid using commonly used addresses, for example loopback or something like 10.0.0.1 or 10, some sort of that like. Okay. And use custom lures only. Use lures created by your organization. So you can add a new lure or you can use the auto-generated lures as well. Okay, if you want to add, you need to identify if you use auto-generated or custom lures in your lure section. Select add new lure under custom lures. Add and edit custom lures such as documents, config files and link files. These lures will automatically be planted on the device in your organization. This is the planting path. You can plant it as hidden, or you can plant on all devices in scope, or you can upload a file. I don't have a lure, so for this I will use an auto-generated lure. This is the summary of the rule that you create. Just click on save. An error has occurred. Please try again later. I don't know why. Okay, I'll try it again later, but this is how you create a deception rule and you use the deception technology or the capability. Okay, please note that the new rule appears in the deception rules pane under after a successful creation. It approximately takes 12 to 24 hours for the complete rule creation. You need to check the status to monitor the rule creation progress. And to check all the details of active rules, including details of devices covered and planted decoys and lures, select export in the rules pane. To modify a deception rule, just select the rule to modify that deception rule in this column, in this section, and then edit it or turn it off, or you can delete it. I'll try it one more time before ending this video. If that, okay, it's not happening. So I'll try it again later. If you want to see the deception default rule, it holds the same information, right? You can turn it off, you can delete it, you can edit it. Okay. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.